What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a trade recap, market recap. If you want to join my free Discord, feel free. Link will be in the description. Catch monster trades like this. Also, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support. So, yeah, this trade looks cool, but let's talk about the real, not problem, but understanding of the market that I lacked. Not lacked today, but so overall, I knew my draw was lower. Going into the day, I mean, you come up, rebalance, sell off, come up, rebalance, sell off. We're in a 4-hour market maker sell model. I know this, you know this, I've been talking about this. Where do we expect to go after this? Kind of tough. Let's see what our standard deviation looks like. Depends where you want to put it. Probably around here, but we'll get rid of that for now. So I took 3 trades today. This is kind of a good lesson I need to make a video on, but first trade was with the external. I aligned external and internal. I lost. It's okay. Second trade, I aligned internal and I didn't align internal and external, and I lost. So I should lose there. I should always align internal and external. So I want to break down those trades to you. So starting out the morning, I was expecting lower price. I was expecting this low right here. This was my draw. Why? SMT at these highs. SMT at these highs, we sell off after the SMT, come back. We're right here at this point. I say I want to see us come back to this hourly, which we do, and then sell off to that level. So that was right around here, market open. Now market open came up, SMT'd that and sold off. I could have entered there because technically this would have been a nice soup, but I didn't. I don't know why exactly, because it was kind of too choppy for me. But as you see, we sell off and get to my level. And now I'm watching price here. At that point, we form a 15-minute fair value gap. Right here. Right? Yeah. Inside that 15-minute fair value gap, we have 5-minute highs. What is this soup? It's a pretty clean soup setup here. Very, very clean. You had to be very patient. This would have been the draw. Aligned with the external. Now, once we came up there, we also formed an SMT. Now, I need SMT with my soup. I do. I just do. We have the SMT. I enter short here. As you can see, the executions are on the screen. I'll never lie to you guys. I'm not going to lie. I don't care to lie. I enter 5 cons. Very tight stop. If I'm taking SMT soup, my stop is literally going to be the SMT, because that is the protected high that we should not go higher than. Following that, we get a move down. So I'm here. I'm feeling good. And then we buy back up. But looking back on this, what is the reason that we buy back up? The reason we buy back up is because we haven't touched discount yet. We're close, but we haven't got it yet. So therefore, that comes with me being impatient. So I think I lose 150 here, 160 maybe. 5 cons, very tight stop, not a big deal. So let's get rid of this. Now I kind of get impatient after this, and I'm like, oh, well, there's a 4-hour SMT here. We're starting to buy up. I like this displacement. This trade could have been very avoided, but it wasn't, so it's my fault. So nice. I'm like, oh, this is a nice market structure shift, but what is this not aligning with? This doesn't align with the external. This trade is disgusting. You shouldn't learn anything from this trade. You should learn not to take this trade. I'm like, okay, we got displacement. You know, if we come back, I'm gonna take it. I enter long right there. Had somewhere right around here. Was targeting this tight stop because well, this wasn't a good trade. This is embarrassing. We SMT at these highs. Instantly get stopped out. Why? Because we don't align internal with external. It's as simple as that. After I take this loss, I'm down 300, but what do? I hop off my live, so I took 2 losses on live, and I'm like, what am I missing here? I know how to trade, so what do? I delete everything. I'm not kidding you. I delete everything. I say, I'll leave all my external things. I say, what are we doing? I say, well, we've been on downtrend. We came up, swept these highs, sold off, rebalanced, souped, came back down to this external, sold off heavy. What are we doing right now? Well, there's a 15-minute fair value up here, and it looks like we're going to respect it, so let's mark that out. I say, okay, that's nice. This is the external draw here. Okay, this is our range here. I don't know where we're going to go after this low, but I know we should take this low. We should burn to this low is what I said in the live the whole time. We should burn to this low. So I zoom in, I say, okay, what have we done so far? Well, we took this high, we took this liquidity, call it stop rate liquidity. I'm like, we didn't really displace through it higher. We just touched discount of this range. Let me zoom into the 1 minute. I'm like, okay, we're at discount of this range. We have a nice original consolidation here. We have a nice little SMT here at the top, smart money reversal. I'm like, this kind of looks like buy side of the curve, and this is sell side of the curve. I'm like, okay. ES has a standard deviation, pretty good. Ribbon. where that SMT was, ES had standard deviation. I say, okay, well, there's nice standard deviation, as you see right where price chops. I say, so we have everything kind of aligned. This is the low-hanging fruit of this range. We got clean displacement here. We came up SMT, clean sell-off down before taking this low. I'm like, oh, if I get a retrace, I'm going to try this. This is too clean of a model for me. I know I've taken 2 losses, but I know how to trade. I know what I want to see. I know what I like to see. This is exactly what I like to see. This is my model, the market maker sell model. Right there, I enter. As you see, right off rejection, I'm very confident in this. Enter here. I have a tight stop. I have my stops above discount of that sell-off. So my stop is like right here at this high. I'm like, I'm going to target this low as my low-hanging fruit. That's where so I enter 2 cons. One, because I don't want to lose more than 1% on the day of my account. So that's $500. So I'm at 300. I say, I don't want to risk too much. I don't want to go over that limit. That's one limit I'll never break. I say this is too good not to go though. The external is aligning with internal. I need to take this. So I enter 2 cons. With this tight stop, I think it was exactly 100. Yeah, it would have been close. So I'm like, okay, 2 cons there. We chop, then we sell off. I sell 1 con instantly. And then I zoom out. I said, Wyatt, where's price going to go? You know how to trade. Where's price going to go? I said, price is going to go here. Especially once ES flips. I knew once we got ES to flip, we were going to sell. What does ES do? ES flips. So I'm like, I'm so confident we're going to. Did I know if we were going to straight burn there? I assumed we were, but I didn't know for sure. We come down close. Once ES takes this 4-hour SMT away, that was at this level. Once ES took this low on ES, like obviously it's taken on NQ, but once ES took this, I knew for sure we were burning. Once the SMT was gone, 100%, 1,000,000% we're going down. So I enter 2 cons. I leave 1 con to run to here. As you see, sold right there at the sell side level for a 5.71 RR. This is probably one of the cleanest trades I've taken in my career so far. Now, it brought me all the way from down 300 to 20 profit. So that shows you when you align time with price and align action with what it needs to do, you will have beneficial trades. Is this trade bad right here? No, I think the problem with this trade, I wasn't in discount of the range yet. Turtle Soup should have been in discount. This trade right here was a pure chase trade. There was no reason to go this long. That was more of a chase. But this trade right here is beautiful. Pure sell side of the curve, aligning internal with external to then go lower. And as you see, we're going to continue to burn. I just need to stop going external bias. I know how to trade. One contract here, 1 micro, 121 points. 122 points. That's insane. But yeah, that's my trade recap for you guys. Like I said, join my free Discord, link in the description. You can ask me a question or anything. Like and subscribe. If you got to the end of this video and you have any video ideas for me, let me know. I would love to hear them. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much. God bless.